Start by logging into your Trello account. Navigate to the board where you want to create a checklist. Select the specific card to which you want to add the checklist. On the card, you'll see various options like members, labels, and more. Click on the Checklist button. Name your checklist and click Add. After creating the checklist, you can add individual items or tasks. Each item represents a step or subtask that needs to be completed. As you mark off items from the checklist, Trello will automatically update the progress bar, giving you a visual cue of how much is left to do. You can assign specific tasks to team members by tagging them in the checklist items. This ensures clarity on who is responsible for what, enhancing accountability. The checklist is great for team projects, as everyone can see what tasks are being worked on and what remains, improving collaboration and communication.